Hello Mohammed, how are you?
Hi Robert, thank God you're fine. How about you?
Good, too. I wanted to ask if you have any suggestions, so that our lives can be better.
I think one of the ways to make our lives better is to always try to do our best in everything.
That's right, but do you have any concrete tips? What can I use every day?
There are some tips that might help. One way is to make a list of daily or weekly goals that you want to achieve. Thus, we can direct our attention and effort to things what really matters and get a sense of accomplishment every time a goal is achieved.
That's a good point. So, apart from making a list of goals, what else can we do?
In addition, it is also important to always try to learn and develop yourself. We can learn something new every day, whether through reading, taking courses, or hanging out with people who have the skills or knowledge we want to master.
Yes, learning and developing yourself is important. Are there any other tips you'd like to share?
One more thing to note is to maintain a healthy body and mind. Do regular exercise, maintain a healthy diet, and taking time to relax or do hobbies we enjoy can help maintain the balance of our lives.
Thanks for the suggestions, Mohammed. I will try it, and try to apply it in my daily life.
You're welcome, Robert. Hopefully these tips can provide positive impact in our life. Keep the spirit and keep trying.